my friends. My name is Pinguy Poo. I am 4 years old. I'm a big boy now, big penguin. Hey, I'm gonna show you how to prepare your music kit. Are you ready? If you're ready, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. I think you are ready. Alright guys, we need 2 wooden spoons. Like this. You can ask your mommy or daddy to give you some spoons. Because we're gonna bang the sticks together like real musicians and play some rhythmics. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. Now we need some shakers because we're gonna dance and shake, 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 shake. Oh, how did you shake? Shake, 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 shake. Okay, guys, I didn't take my shaker today, so I'm gonna create homemade shakers. What's that? Yummy! It looks like it's. Do you know this? Whoa! No! Oh, help! Help! Oh, it's some chickpeas. Yum! Well, what can we do with chickpeas when they're dried? We can shake them together and they sound like maracas. Okay guys, here it is. My mommy helped me to pour some chickpeas in this bottle. And when we're gonna shake, 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 shake with me. Shake, shake, shake with me. That's very good. Put it here next to the spoons. Next to my claves, my claves. And finally, we did for the music playgroup a beautiful, marvelous, beautiful scarf. Oh, Peekaboo. Oh, Peekaboo. Yes, we're gonna play and dance with the scarf. So, are you ready to dance with me? Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Pinky Poo, Pinky Poo, Pinky Poo, Pinky Poo, Pinky Poo, Pinky Poo.